the 4-5 on my hip. Yup.
It's Fleet Montana and I go in. I go deep up in the skin like it's lotion. Give her the potion and put that ass in motion. I do not give a damn how you take it, Frank Ocean. Novocaine, you dumb niggas is lame. I'm riding like a star, you whack niggas not in my lane. You thought it was an aim, and then I took your dame, and I took you like the PS3, but nigga, it's no game. What the fuck you talking about? Your raw bar should be lame. You niggas need to be ashamed, nigga. I'll take your dame, fuck your name. I don't give a damn, cause I took your address. Y'all niggas is fucking sex. I mean, y'all niggas intellects. I got them checks, I got them done. 30s on my fucking mind. I do not give a damn if I got high. I got them phone by surprise. And you cannot hear my
in the garage.
Them
rapping.
niggas is talking, shoot these niggas how they lines. They is mines, they is out of their mind. I'm in the coupe, I drop back like Tony Montana did in the roof. And I do not give a damn how you do it, loose too. And I got it till it's ruthless. Motherfuckers breathless, these niggas is not on my atlas. I am so high like a cactus. What the fuck you talking about? Y'all dumb niggas don't know how to practice. Damn, and I'm a motherfucking beast.
Yes.
Got your motherfucking girl up in my sweets. Then I swag it, I cook her. And eat it just like wonton soup. Y'all dumb niggas not in the group. I show y'all niggas how I do. You don't do.
Son of Hardwood, no homo. Bitch Takewood, Saradono, no beat. I rock acapella for all my homies and all these whack fellas. Who the fuck wanna be ill? Not you. Niggas getting sick, I hit them with Achu. Pros, what the fuck? The fucking camera froze. Cause my shit was so hot, it melted the fucking lobes of your ears. Can't hear me. I spit spears, and you niggas is squares. And I don't cares, cause I ain't even wearing underwears, bruh. But like that one time, the beat comes in hot, you know what I'm saying? Gotta represent for all the homies in Snowville.
Yes.
Yo, who the fuck wanna smoke my cock? I got so many bitches, they call me Tupac. What the fuck is up? Run up in the garage, smoking Mary J with my nigga Shaq and Sean. Louis Vuitton Don. I put it on the grass, then I put it on your mom. What's that? No, I'm not gonna curse you. My dick will just disperse you.